Sarah Boone, y'all, is on her ninth lawyer. This past week, y'all, Sarah Boone was in court, right? Trying to get her trial delayed. Guess what the judge said? No, Sarah, get somebody else to do it. That part. Sarah, you are not getting your trial delayed. Look, the judge denied that motion. You will be in court on the day that the court trial date says that it's going to start. Sarah, you're going to be in court and you're going to be starting the trial on that date. That part. Y'all, Sarah Boone has had 11 lawyers appointed to her. The eighth appointed was herself. So Sarah went to court a few weeks ago. She's been going to court over the past couple of weeks, trying to get all these motions approved from the judge. She went to the last week. She had a motion to try to get her court case trial delayed, and the judge said, "No, Sarah, denied. Look, denied. You're not going to get your trial delayed. You're going to get your trial started on the day that it's supposed to start." Sarah has been through so many lawyers, you guys. And the reason being, she's saying that the lawyers aren't doing this, the lawyers aren't doing this, that, and the third. So then at the eighth time, she's like, you know what? I'm just going to represent myself. So that's what she did for like a few months. Then she complains about other inmates in her cell. She can't have her privacy. She doesn't have access to the laptop. Sarah thinks that she's in the Hollywood Hills Hotel, and she forgot that she is in the Florida Department of Corrections, y'all. I don't know what Sarah's mindset and thinking is, but y'all, Sarah got it twisted. Sarah thinks that everybody is supposed to cater to her. No, ma'am. No. You did the crime. Now it's time for you to get your situation and yourself together to go to court, to face the charges that you're charged with, and do the time that you will be given according to, the people who are going to be, listening to your trial. And then the judge, he's going to sentence you to whatever, he was. So, Sarah thinks that she can continue to play around, do whatever she wants to do, try to keep on going back and forth to court with all these motions. Like, she got a motion to try to wear, not to take off the shackles off of her arms. The judge approved that, but was like, okay, if you don't wear, I'm approving that, but you're going to wear a stunt cuff. So stunt cuff is like a little, like piece that goes on your leg. And if she goes outside of the area that she's supposed to while she's trying to fight her own trial, then the stun cuff will basically go off and shock her, bring her down to her knees, and make sure that, she doesn't go where she's not supposed to while she's fighting her case. But basically that's no longer needed because, y'all, she's on her ninth lawyer. So what Sarah Boone did, this is hilarious, y'all. I was like, Sarah is a piece of work, y'all. Let me tell you, Sarah Boone is a piece of work. Sarah Boone then put out an article and asked if, she, this long article, would you like to do this? Would you like to do that? So, blah, 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 blah. So there's this one lawyer, he responded. Y'all, he responded to Sarah Boone's request and article and said that he would take on her case. Okay. She got her another lawyer. So this is her ninth appointed lawyer. Okay. Yep. Got a ninth lawyer. She got a ninth lawyer. So now she's like, okay, I don't have to have my files and everything in my cell because, there's other inmates in here and, my stuff is open and, I don't feel like, my stuff should have access and anybody could just, possibly come in and I guess maybe steal, my information and, all of my documents and paperwork for me to fight my case. This isn't fair, blah, blah, blah. Sarah be doing the most, y'all. Anyway, she got this lawyer. The lawyer tried to go and put a motion in to get her trial delayed. And the judge said, no, 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 no. Sarah, no. Your court is going to start when it's supposed to be starting, your court case. So now, with that being said, the lawyer was trying to build some type of case for like battered spouse or something like that. Because supposedly, allegedly, she said the boyfriend that she unalived was, DVing her allegedly. So that's why this lawyer was saying that he needed more time in order to build that case up and present that case during her trial. Really? Did you guys hear her on the video where her boyfriend was calling? He was like, Sarah, Sarah, I can't breathe. And she's laughing at him. Sarah thinks this is a game. Does she not know what she did? A life is lost. And who is playing hide-go-seek in a suitcase? Not even kids are playing hide-go-seek in a suitcase. Now, grown folks play hide-go-get-it, but not in no suitcase. Come on now. Sarah, you are full of shenanigans. Stop the presses. Okay, Sarah, stop the presses. You're going to go to court. You're going to get your trial, as everybody should. Everybody is, entitled to a case, of course. But Sarah, what do you think you did here? Did you think you are winning an Oscar or something for acting? I mean, I don't know. Or are you going to court because you unalived your boyfriend in the suitcase and he was saying that he couldn't breathe and you was laughing like it was hilarious to you? So I bet you a lot of people are laughing at you now because you cannot get an extension on your trial, and now you're going to see how probably the other family feels on how when they lost their loved one, which was your ex-boyfriend your boyfriend that you unalived, that part. Y'all, Sarah thinks this is a game. This is reality. I don't know what mindset she's living in, but Sarah thinks this is fun and games and like everything is hunky-dory and like she thinks she's going to win this court case. Sarah, bye. Go sit down and have a couple of seats because you are going to be facing this trial. But in reality, after it's all said and done, you're going to get some time, Sarah. You're not going to be walking around here a free woman no time soon, if any time. So, y'all, this court case is going to be epic, y'all. It's going to be epic. But not as epic as probably Daryl Brooks will. But we'll see, because, she may fire this lawyer. She may be like, I don't want him. I want him to be removed from my case too. Because she did that to the last 7 lawyers that she had. She was not trying to listen to them. She wanted things to go her way. They were probably telling her stuff that really she needed to hear, but she didn't want to hear. But to me, this is just my opinion, y'all. Sarah is a narcissist. Sarah is a female narcissist, y'all. Sarah thinks that she can have whatever she wants, how she wants, and when she wants it. And that is not the case. That is not the case. Now, you being a little bit too bougie up in jail when you should be worried about pleading your case and not wearing no skirt. And I need a motion to, can I take off the shackles? Can I wear a skirt? Girl, bye. Girl, bye. Why are you sitting there trying to be all cute in court, all this, all that, when you really, really don't need to do nothing but sit down there and let your lawyer fight your case, because you are not no lawyer. You have no experience in fighting a case. I bet you when you was opening them books, busting them wide open, trying to figure out what this word says, what it means, and then trying to go to the dictionary just to define that word, you did not know what you was doing. You did not know what you was doing, but it's smart that you got another lawyer. But if I were you, Sarah, I would stick with that lawyer because, baby, the time is ticking. Time is of the essence. The judge said that you are not going to get an extension or no delay on your case. When your case is going to be heard, it's going to be heard at that date and time. No changes are going to be allowed as far as pushing your court case back. So your new appointed lawyer can go and gather information for you to fight a case of domestic, DV. They're not going to let you do that, Sarah. No. So, y'all, I'm going to keep you guys in the loop on this with Sarah Boone. Because Sarah Boone be doing the most, y'all. Sarah Boone be doing the most on the coast, baby. The most in the jail. Yeah, the jail where she's at. Because she thinks she is entitled to everything and anything that she wants to be. Sarah, you are not on the streets no more, baby. You're not at Hollywood Hotel. You are at the Iron Bar Hotel, that part. So you need to get it together and like really wake up, because maybe reality hasn't set. Only because she's downtown, y'all, in the jail. When she gets to prison, it's going to be a different story. There's going to be some females probably in there that's going to be getting her straight, you know. She's not going to be able to act like that. They're going to get her straight. She's going to be eating some humble pie. Like Daryl Brooks ate humble pie for 3 years, y'all. And he act like he got some sense. After 3 years, he been eating humble pie. He probably ate the humble pie with some coffee, or maybe with a cup of water, probably from the sink in the same cell where he's sitting at. You know, they have like sinks and toilets in the same cell, some prisons. And maybe he had some humble pie with that water, you know, or maybe some coffee that he probably made. But yeah, that part. Sarah Boone's gonna be eating some humble pie too. But anyway, y'all, if y'all like my video, hit the like button, subscribe, share the video. I'm gonna continue to do Sarah Boone videos, y'all, because Sarah Boone, she's off the chain. She be having me laughing with the stuff she's doing because she feels so entitled. I'm entitled, like, you know, I'm Sarah Boone. I'm entitled to whatever, you know, that is what I'm getting from Sarah Boone. But y'all, I'm going to continue to bring you guys content on Sarah Boone. And we're going to see how this trial is going to get underway. Y'all, is Sarah Boone going to keep this lawyer? Or is Sarah Boone going to get rid of this lawyer? Y'all, I'm trying to figure out, y'all. I'm trying to figure out, what do y'all think? I want you guys to drop some comments in the comment box and let me know. Is Sarah Boone gonna keep this attorney, y'all? Or is Sarah Boone gonna give him the boot like she gave the rest of them the boot, y'all? I don't know. Y'all tell me. Leave a comment in the comment box down below, and I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.